How to remove all viruses on iPad? Well, the first thing you can do is check if there's any unknown, person or profile inside your iPad. For that, you can open up your settings, and inside of your settings, you can scroll down and click on where it says General. And inside of General, what you can do is scroll a bit down and click on VPN and device management. Once you're inside there, you could see any profile that has access to your iPhone. Right now, it's empty for me because I don't have any, but if you have given access to it, it's going to appear over here. So just revoke their access to your phone from here and it should work. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is inside of settings, this time you want to search for the app called Safari. Click on Safari. Once you find Safari, scroll down. And once you scroll down, you need to click on Clear History and Website Data. I've already done this, but in your case, it's going to be highlighted. So click on it and clear it. So these are the two ways on how you guys can remove all viruses on iPad. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.